Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free package manager to install APK, APKS, XAPK or APKM for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases, just click on it. Now once again scroll down below again. Now you'll see here app full releases.apk. So you need to download this .apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Now click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. So you can see here it supports APK, APKS, XAPK and APKM. Now you can click on next. Now click on this grant permission. Click on this allow. Move back. Click on get started. Now click on allow. Now you can see a various option below here. You can directly find automatic by scanning your device internal storage, or you can select your respective folder and you can browse the package, or you can browse all the files. So here I'm going to use the find automatic option. Click on grant access. Click on allow. Just move back. So now it will show all the APK, APKS or XAPK or APKM files that is present on my respective Android smartphones. So if you want to install, say I want to install this respective file, just select it and you can see below install, just click on it. Now here you can add the OBB files, which is optional, and just scroll down below and now you will see here install option. Just click on it. Now just click on install, then it will get installed, and even it has a uninstall option also here. Directly from here you can uninstall also. You can see all the install apps here, and you can click on this uninstall icon to uninstall the respective application. So you can see here, if you click on uninstall, then it will directly uninstall from here itself. And the last one is the settings. So under the settings, you will get a tons of options which you can check out by yourself. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free package manager to install APK, APKS, XAPK or APKM for Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.